And the difference of the first of spring and summer is we're holding on. We're innocently holding on to who, maybe possibly how our parents loved, the conditioned message, external messages and so forth. And life offers us in each season, there's an opportunity and there's a challenge. There's a gift and there's a challenge. And so at the beginning, it's, oh my gosh, like this thing's happening to us. That's the first, like, say, spring. Maybe it's a loss of a baby. Maybe you're trying to have a child. It could be in-laws. It could be a health challenge. But life is always bringing us that opportunity to evolve us. And the wisdom of each of these cycles is there's beauty in each of them. And you go through heaven and you go through hell both. You don't get into autumn or radiant love without going through a tremendous amount of pain. Because that pain's there when people talk about, oh my gosh, my heart is breaking. It's breaking open. That's supposed to happen. Or, oh my gosh, my partner's triggering me. We're supposed to trigger each other. Not intentionally, but that's how we wake up. We are all each other's gift and each other's push, because we're mirroring. We're mirroring. And so what's so beautiful and so sweet for those of you that see through that first descent, and you come into autumn, you recognize, it's like, oh my gosh, I love this person beyond what I want from them. Do you feel the difference? The first part is, oh my goodness, you're going to pay attention to me, you're going to do this for me, I want this. It's I want, me. Autumn, you mature and there's wisdom. It's like, oh my gosh, I want to share my life with this individual. If we have an external challenge, we get to come together and be a safe harbor together. And there's a cocoon with that. And then no matter what's happening on the outside world, when you have an internal practice, because it really is an internal game. Relationship is all internal. How we perceive things, how we let go, what we surrender to, and that's the most profoundly beautiful part of autumn. It's the same, I was raised in Canada, and being here in Florida, don't have the same seasons, but just like that rich time when those leaves start to change, for those that you live in a context of such, it's so stunning. You just see it's all dropping away, and yet just because the flowers aren't blooming, it has a different beauty. It has a different, if you think, oh my gosh, I only like spring because there's flowers, it's like there's just these different qualities when we don't cling, that we believe life should look a certain way. When we let go of the expectation that in the enchantment stage, it's supposed to look like this. No, we have pieces of that. We have threads of that. We have this tapestry that we're weaving. And that's through the gift of autumn, as wisdom starts to drop in. And you start to perceive and appreciate different things. And it becomes us. It becomes, how can I help? How can I serve? Not only individually, but as well together. And so there's a different level of richness, an emotional richness, a spiritual richness, because we are surrendering self.